Do you know the types of count function in MS Excel? We have 3 different count function in Excel. Each function would be used for different purpose. Let's start with count function. Count formula helps to calculate the number of cells which contain numbers. By selecting range, we could count the numbers. Do you know why the output is 0? Count function would work only on numbers. It wouldn't work on text. Now, I changed the selected range from text to numbers. We would get the output. Do ensure you are using the count formula on numbers. Also, by selecting each cell, we could count the numbers. Each comma would be counted as one number. If I am adding one more comma, it would get counted. So, don't add any extra comma once you selected the range. Counter. Counter formula helps to calculate the number of cells which is not blank. Count formula could be used for text. Also, count formula could be used for numbers. This counter formula is not like count formula. Count blank. Count blank formula helps to calculate the number of cells which is empty or blank from selected range. Stay connected to know more about MS Excel and Excel function.